Hi, I'm Ganga Devi AM, and today I will be proposing a public relations pitch for the Kazakhstan tourism sector. After the controversial satirical comedy movie Borat Cultural Learnings of America for Make Benefit Glorious Nation of Kazakhstan was released in 2006, written by Sacha Baron Cohen, Kazakhstan came to a standstill. The movie, which was in fact a social comment on USA rather than Kazakhstan, painted a negative image of the country nonetheless. It portrayed the country as backward, anti-Semitic, and misogynistic among many other things. The movie, which was in fact shot in Romania, showed a bleak, backward, underdeveloped picture of Kazakhstan. But we should take into consideration the increase in international travel after the first movie came out in 2006. But obviously, the negative picture that the movie has painted of the country has been widely laughed at. Now, the second part of the Borat series, that is Borat 2, has been released on October 23, 2020. It is time to look at how we can use this movie to promote Kazakhstan. The key aims of this public relations campaign is reputation management, increased flow of international tourists into the country, within which the goal should reflect the campaign's vision. The objective should meet the SMART test, which is an acronym for specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time focused. When the first movie, Borat Cultural Learnings of America for Make Benefit Glorious Nation of Kazakhstan, was released, the reaction to the movie Kazakhstan gave was rash, although justified. We must keep in mind that the movie is a social comment on USA rather than Kazakhstan. So the question is, how do we use a movie to promote the country, build a positive picture of Kazakhstan, and attract tourists? In 2006, Kazakhstan banned the movie, threatened to sue Sacha Baron Cohen, who is a lead actor and the writer of the movie, and published a 4-page advertisement in the New York Times defending the country's honor, which looked as though the country was trying too hard to prove that they are not what the movie suggested, which only attracted more laughs. The tourism sector is also not that active in social media, example Twitter and Facebook. The biggest threat of the Kazakhstan tourism sector is the way they communicate to the public. The only outreach they have is through YouTube, that is a Kazakhstan Travel, which reaches only a limited audience. They fail to utilize social media to publicize their campaign, and their online website does not mention their campaigns or their efforts to popularize their tourism. In my pitch, we are trying to do the same, attract tourists through humor, but one that sits well with the audience. The recent PR campaign of the Kazakhstan tourism sector has already attracted quite a lot of popularity for its use of humor to promote the country. Borat's most famous catchphrase, "very nice," used in video promotions, has suggested the acceptance of the movie in the country. The world has already received the message that Kazakhstan is ready to move forward. The first strategy that I am pitching is the use of Sacha Baron Cohen himself to promote Kazakhstan. His popularity and his movie award gave the country a spotlight in 2006, and it is time to use that spotlight since the second movie has already been released. The use of a public personality, especially a man like Sasha, could drive Kazakhstan to popularity, thus increasing the tourism flow in the country. The second strategy is the use of standard PR tools to promote a tourism campaign. I have two approaches when using standard PR tools. One is the use of tourism or travel traditional PR tools, and the second is the use of social media. The first approach is the use of press releases, host dedicated events, open houses, conduct press conferences, newsletters, flyers, public service announcement, tours, and VNRs, that is video news releases, to engage media attention to the PR campaign. The second approach is the use of social media to promote the campaign. The use of Twitter hashtags like #VeryNice and #BoratKazakhstan. The use of Instagram and Facebook pages to promote the tourism campaign as well as the country. Keeping the tourism and travel website up to date. Using the website to promote tourism. Creating a social media team to handle the social media websites, etc. are included in the engagement. For the campaign promotion, I intend to do a pestle analysis on the tourism industry of Kazakhstan to monitor the macro environment of the tourism campaign, which could benefit the promotional campaign. When it comes to the legal environment, the biggest highlight of Kazakhstan is its visa-free regime for travelers who wish to travel to the country. Kazakhstan also offers a 72-hour, about 3 days visa-free stay for transit passengers from China and India. In October 2019, it was revealed at the plenary session of the Kazakh Majlis, lower house of parliament, that the tourism bill was likely to be revised with 60 amendments. The amendment included a tax-free system and bed tax for foreign tourists. Vice Minister of Culture and Sports, Erkan Bisakayev, who presented the bill, also introduced a territory with a special potential for tourism development included in the list of national objects in the tourist map. The businesses that are being occupied by these places will be eligible for investment privileges, including tax breaks. When it comes to the environment, the country has committed to reduce greenhouse gas emissions by 15% by 2020 in the Paris Agreement of 2016. President of Kazakhstan, Kassym-Jomart Tokayev, has also pointed out the importance of a green belt, in which he ordered the planting of more than 2 billion trees in the Forest Fund and 15 million in localities in order to enhance a large-scale greening of the country in the next 5 years. A draft of a new environmental code has also been introduced to comply with green practices and amendments to laws that are currently moving through essential constructive additions in the parliament. When it comes to socio-cultural environment, Kazakhstan comprises of 67.5% of ethnic Kazakh and a 19.8% of Russian. The Constitution of Kazakhstan and the Criminal Code both prohibits the violation of the equal rights of citizens no matter the race. Petroleum, natural gas and mineral extraction are the chief contributors of 13% of Kazakhstan GDP, gross domestic product, and account for some 57% of the nation's industrial output. Another notable factor is the Kazakhstan's sharing economy. The use of digital platform to shift from ownership to the sharing of goods, assets or services has been a groundbreaking trend. In the technological aspect, the government went through a dramatic improvement in 2016 in the development of mobile government, rise of civic engagement and open data-driven movement, and an overall progress in the country's technological spectrum. The outcome of this campaign should be assessed by the impact of the active usage of social media mainly. The pitch intends to manage the reputation of the country tainted by the release of the Borat movie and to increase the flow of tourism. Through the analysis of press clippings, media impression, content analysis, website traffic, lead sourcing, market surveys and social media mention, we can analyze the outcome of the campaign. Thank you and stay safe.